When missiles fly, gold doesn't sleep. Headlines are exploding right now with reports of US military action against Venezuela. And while most people are watching the news, smart money is watching gold. Every major conflict in history has done one thing to the markets. It injects fear. And when fear enters the system, gold reacts fast. In this video, I'll break down how geopolitical shocks like this moves gold, what institutions look for, and whether this situation could trigger a major gold move, bullish or bearish. If you trade gold, you cannot afford to ignore what is happening right now. So guys, I'll start by analyzing the market using the higher time frame, then we'll break down to lower time frame. This is a 1 week time frame. So in a weekly time frame, you can see that gold is on an uptrend since it broke this resistance. Since it broke this resistance, gold has been on an uptrend. So on the weekly time frame, gold is on an uptrend. Then it broke also this resistance over here. It broke this resistance over here. Let me draw it correctly. Why is it not drawing this resistance? It broke this resistance over here. And also, if you view this market on a price action basis, you can see this long bearish candle. It was coming to retest this resistance. So we can say that on a weekly time frame, gold is on a uptrend. So that is weekly time frame. And let me delete all these. I'm going to delete all these, remove them. Yeah, that was on a weekly time frame. There is this trend line. I don't want to delete it. This one, let's draw it. Yeah, that one. So let's go to the lower time frame, that is daily time frame. Let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, gold is respecting this trend line here. There is this trend line which gold is respecting very well, this one. The moment market touches this trend line, it reacts from it. The moment it reaches the trend line, the market must react. You see, it's reacting every time it touches the trend line. So on a weekly time frame, we saw gold is on an uptrend. On a daily time frame, still gold is on an uptrend, and it broke this resistance over here, and then there was this long bearish candle which came to retest. And the moment it hits this trend line, we can see it reacts from it and the price reverses. So let's go to lower time frame, that is 4 hours time frame, and see if the same thing is happening. On the 4 hours time frame, still gold is doing the same thing. Let me remove all these drawings. You can see gold is respecting our trend line. Let me draw the trend line. This is the trend line that gold has been respecting. The moment it reaches this trend line, gold has to react. And you see, it's very easy. It hit here and then it reacted. So we can say there is liquidity lying here, because the moment you see a big trend line in the market like this, it means that gold is respecting that trend line. So that is 4 hours time frame. Still the market is on an uptrend. Let me draw our trend line because there is a very crucial point I wanna pass. Then let's go to 1 hour time frame and still see whether the same thing is happening. And you can tell, because the moment the market hits that trend line, it reacts. So we are expecting what? Stick around. By the end of this video, I'll give you the analysis and what to expect the moment the market opens. The moment gold reaches this line, it reacts from it. Now let's go to 5 minutes time frame. This is our final analysis. So at 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, still gold is respecting our trend line. You see, it's respecting our trend line. So what are we expecting? We are expecting two things can happen here. Now this is the analysis. The video is short and very useful. So this is my analysis. Since US captured Venezuela's President Maduro, this is what might happen. Gold can decide to take this liquidity. The moment market opens, two things can happen. It can decide to fall and take this liquidity. This trend line here means there is a lot of liquidity lying over here, and you know that liquidity is the fuel of the market. So it might decide to come and pick the liquidity, then reverse. That is the first case, the first scenario. And I want you to watch the market immediately it opens. Once the market opens, it can decide to drop and pick this liquidity lying along this trend line, then it reverses. Or number two, because of the tension, wars create tension and fear, and according to geopolitical news and analysis, people tend to hide their wealth in form of gold. The moment we have tension or geopolitical war news, the market must react. So the second scenario is gold can open with a gap or just flying. It can open and just fly. So we are expecting a huge buy on the course of next week. So my analysis today is that gold is going to buy if it collects this liquidity. Let me remove this so I can draw a clear structure. Let's even draw such a small structure. This is liquidity lying here. I said the first scenario, gold can decide to drop and pick this liquidity. Once it clears this liquidity, it will reverse and buy to the moon. So we are going to buy to the moon, and I'll be going live the whole of next week. I'll be giving free signals and analysis on how to do about this gold. So it can buy from this because number one, we have geopolitical tension, and number two, this is a very good demand zone. Why is it a good demand zone? This is a demand zone, and then we have a fair value over here, then we have this liquidity. So it can buy, decide to drop a bit to the demand zone, and then fly. So guys, because of that tension, we're expecting to buy gold. The video was short. I hope it made sense, and kindly subscribe, like, and share for more tips on how to trade gold and other commodities. Till next time, thank you and goodbye.